This right here is the perfect little portable light selfie stick tripod with MagSafe, and it does charge. It has battery power and everything and controls on it. So for one, you have your selfie stick with the button you press, like, so touch it on the ground and it opens up like that. So easy to set up one-handed. Ready? So I'm just gonna put this down and it opens up. Now, what's cool about this is you have this foldable light, so you can actually have it on both sides if you have, like, you know, two people and you want to capture both sides of your camera, or you can just pop this open and then you have a ring light right there. So really good ring light, and we can adjust the controls on it. Different temperatures right there. You have your warm, your middle, and your white color, and then you can adjust the brightness with the plus and minus buttons there. And this is KraftGeek. They make some really cool stuff. I like a lot of their things are like just amazing. You have USB-C on the back to charge this light up, and it has battery indicators letting you know how much is left. Now then, you throw your phone on here with MagSafe, so you can use this whether you're using it again as double, or you can use it to do your ring light, whether it's vertical or horizontal content that you're creating. Plus it sits up really high. So for anyone that's probably like even up to like 6'5", 7 foot tall, this thing will work. And if you want a little studio where you're just, you know, recording videos, this is a great way to do it, where you have lights, tripod, and your phone holder all in one, and it's battery powered, so you don't have to be looking for any outlets. So that's really good, high quality. So it's really good, high quality. Love that one tap open for the tripod. So highly recommend this for your content, and thanks for watching.